outside today. As soon as I step outside, it's rain. Look at that. It's crazy. Yeah, but we'll find somewhere to go. Well, we can't do too much with like being outside. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna go ahead and take a drive. But it's gonna be a scenic one. So I promise it's gonna be scenic because parts of Sunset that we're gonna go through to the beach is very windy roads. But from here in Hollywood up until we reach Beverly Hills, it'll be like a straight road. Once we enter into Beverly Hills on Sunset, it gets a little windy at that part. But anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Now let me keep the window. Look at that. Look, see the flood waters right there, you guys? We're flooding already. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. Okay, this is in flood waters right now. Can you believe it? No wonder nobody is over here. Oh my word, you guys! I'm in deep water, like deep water. Come on, okay, let's get out of here. Oh my word, you guys see this? You just check it out. Traffic is horrible. Y'all hear that rain? It's coming down. It's coming down. My windows are starting to fog up. It's always an adventure with Cassie, huh? On the scene with Cassie. We are going to go through an adventure. Yes, we are. Tour. We're doing a driving tour, but again, it was in the rain the last time I actually was on Sunset. Well, that was like a week or so ago. Look at how much come up this street right here. Remember the last time I was walking, you guys? And you can see the water? That's the flooding that's coming down off the street. Hold on, let me get a better angle. Look at the flooding. You can see it over here. Oh, I'm going to keep these wipers on. Wow. That's how we get into these here. That's how we get into these here floods. I'm gonna turn around because I don't want to go too far up this hill, only because it might be more flooding up the hill further. So I'm gonna stay kind of at the bottom of this hill, because you can see all the water is just rushing down from this hill. shift. Crazy, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn around right about here. Yeah. Okay, I'm turning around. But as you can see, our flooding starts off in our hills, the hillside, in the mountains. And then it rushes down. Look at this. It rushes down the hill. And then we flood. Look at that over there. I don't want to do anything crazy like that one. Oh, wow. So we took a little detour, but we're still gonna go down. We're still gonna go all the way down Sunset Boulevard to the beach, though. So about another block, we'll be in the city of Beverly Hills. Pardon me. I'll let you guys know when we enter the city of Beverly Hills. So right now we're still in West Hollywood. As soon as we cross this light, about another block up. Pardon me. So right now we're going to be officially entering Beverly Hills. You see the Beverly Hills sign right there? Beverly Hills. So we just now entered Beverly Hills from West Hollywood. right now, so the 405 was, if you can go to your right or left. But yes. Right now we're entering into Pacific Palisades area, but this road is even dangerous when it's not raining. So can you imagine how dangerous it is if folks are not driving correctly when it's raining? So it seems like everybody's behaving themselves, but yeah, this is it gets pretty dangerous in these parts. Mandeville Canyon right here is a canyon that is, okay, he's not paying attention to what he's doing at all. Is a windy canyon, of course, that's up the hill. We got several canyons that goes all the way to the valley. Seems like it's getting a little bit more rain the closer we get to the beach, though. The closer we get to the beach, it's more rain. It's raining harder, as you can see. Definitely. Dangerous being to my right, so I'm going to go ahead and get into my left hand lane because the right has some things falling and a pile of water over there. We're in Pacific Palisades right now, so we just entered Pacific Palisades. You know, I have to use the restroom, so I'm gonna go inside of Erewhon right here. Yeah, here's a parking spot right here. I'm gonna go into Erewhon and use the restroom really quickly because these parking spots are kind of weird right here. Here's Erewhon, you guys. Erewhon is actually one of the most expensive stores in LA. Okay, the bathrooms are, are fairly clean. I don't know if you guys can see that. This looks tasty. It's 20 bucks though for a sandwich. So that's what you're going to be getting. Basically, $18.99 is $20 all day long. Okay, you guys, I decided to go ahead and sit in Erewhon and eat this here sushi sandwich. But we'll see. It's called the sushi spicy sandwich, whatever. But she said it was very good. The sushi chef. So we're going to go ahead and eat this now, and we're going to tell you guys how it tastes. Okay, before I dig in, I'm going to take this to my car because there's people sneezing and carrying on. So I decided I'm not going to eat it in here, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I could not sit there and eat because it's got this one table in Erewhon, and everybody's, it's got several people sitting down to eat, but they're sneezing and blowing their nose right at the table. So I couldn't do it. But let me show you the sandwich. So anyway, it's made of brown rice, and they fried the brown rice to make the sandwich part of it. It's got some tuna in there and some avocado. Now it does look tasty. I don't want to break it apart, but it's tuna, avocado, the salmon is right there, grilled salmon. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna give it a try. Seriously though, you guys, That's a sandwich. I did another detour. I'm in the park right now, in Real Rogers Park. But there are some people, some strange individuals out here that is pretty much hiking in the rain. But oh, wow, what a beautiful sight. Hold on, let me show you. Oh. And I don't know what's happening with this guy. I mean, I've been to this park many times before, but never in the rain. So right now it's feeling a little strange because you got some people walking out here in the rain with no shoes and and he looks very strange. Hold on. Give me a second. I'll show you guys this. Okay, now y'all know y'all gonna always be on an adventure with me. When I say on the scene with Cassie, I mean all kinds of scenes. But look at this. This is so nice. I've been to this park, but I've been up on the upper regions of this park because I hike. I've never been down below, not knowing that this area right here exists. Okay, maybe I should turn my car off and lock it. I'm about to do something really crazy. I come back and my car will be gone. Okay, hold on. Isn't this like a scene from like a Jason movie or a Freddy Krueger movie? Yeah, this seems kind of, you know, you can get lost out here. Anybody out here hiking with this rain, so you know this is one of those scenes. Yeah. And then that I've seen those two strange people already, that's even more so. Okay, so we finally got, you know, up in the upper regions of this park, we haven't had a waterfall in many years due to the fact that there hasn't been any, it was been a drought, so we haven't had any rain. But now that it's been raining, we have water. Can't you hear that? Oh my word. Let me get up here. There is water. When you look at there, finally, after all this rain, we finally got water in these, in our waterfalls. Finally. I haven't been to this part. Only in the upper, when you're hiking up, that I've been to. I've never seen, it's never been any water down here because we just haven't had any. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's got a nice little waterfall going on too. Look at these two big trees that's been falling over the years. And it seemed like people try to cross them, but I wouldn't try to cross that for all the tea in China. Oh no. Can you imagine? If it wasn't raining though, I would go down there. Oh, woo! If it wasn't raining, I would climb down there though. Oh look. It's got some more over there. I would totally climb down there because right now with these rain boots on, I feel like I would slip and fall. And I'm not trying to slip and fall. And I would cross over and climb up that if it wasn't raining. Let me watch my step. Oh Lord Jesus. That's a big tree. Okay, wait a minute, I hear something. What I hear? Hold up. Wait a minute. Who goes there? I love the water. We haven't had waterfalls in LA in so long. We've been in such a drought, we have not had water coming through these parts. Let me go down here. Lord. Oh, look it. Cassie, be careful, Cassie. Be careful. The only thing I have to protect myself is this umbrella. But I will beat the shit out of somebody with this umbrella that came up on me. Yes, I would. Hold on. I gotta get this umbrella out of my way. Okay. I want to step down here, but look at this. See, I don't trust this. Oh, there's a bridge over there, you guys. Okay, I see a bridge. Let's go that route. And maybe that's why that guy that I saw had no clothes on and no shoes, because he probably jumped in this freaking lake. Yeah, I'm thinking that he had jumped. They were in this water. I've never been to the side of the park. What's that? I hear something. You know, you got no hikers out here because it's raining. See, there's a little bridge that crosses over right there. If I try to take you guys out here another day, you guys are not going to be able to see this, because once it stops raining, this creek bed will dry right up again. LA is still dry. I'm sorry, I'm doing 180-degree turns because it's kind of creepy out here. Oh. So I'm on this bridge right here. I want to go up here. Look how creepy that looks. Okay, I need some. I just don't know about going up here, y'all. I mean, for real. I'm doing some creepy shit even for myself. I'm out. Peace out of here. I'm out, seriously, you guys. I just feel creeped out. And I'm peacing out. Because normally you would probably have some hikers up here, and you don't have any because it's raining and I'm going. I'm sorry, you guys, but I'm gonna have to show y'all that on another day. But I'm being creeped out going through them trees. What's over here? Peace out. The trees even look spooky. Look how spooky these trees look. Y'all don't think they're spooky? I'm out. No. All right. Oh, y'all. I got spooked. I'm sorry. I can't even do it. I'll come back down here on another day. But hopefully they still got a waterfall going on. Woo! I see y'all when I get in the car. All right, I'm backing out. I'm leaving. Yeah, when I tell you guys, I got super spooked out. Man, I mean, those creepy trees and you underneath, no, I can't do it. Nobody out there. Sometimes you just gotta follow your intuition, you know what I mean? You know, it'll be a good time to go another day. Today's not the day though. Something really spooked me out where I was just like, you know what, I gotta go. I don't know what it was. But it was something. Okay, right here to your right, through these gates, that's where I would normally park for the hike. And you can't, it's closed right now. But the hiking trail, that's why I've never been down that way where I just came from. The hiking trail is right over here to your right. And that's where the hiking trail begins. And that's where I would park. And I would walk up the mountain. Let's roll out because we haven't hit the beach yet. And we still been lollygagging around. But we're rolling out right now. On Sunset Boulevard, destination beach. So, in a couple of 100 feet, we would have reached our destination. I've taken Sunset Boulevard all the way down from the Hollywood area. We passed through West Hollywood. We passed through Beverly Hills. We passed through Westwood. We passed through Brentwood. Now Pacific Palisades is what we're in, and this is where it ends. So it ends right here at PCH at the end of the road to the beach in Pacific Palisades. So you see the beach ahead of us right now, and this is where Sunset Boulevard ends. Right here, we made it to our destination. So now that you see the ocean ahead of us, I'm just trying to figure out, like, where should we go? It's still early yet. It's about 5:30 p.m. A rainy day, so we can't do anything too much out there in the elements. I just took you guys to the to that hiking trail area, the park. That was spooky. Sorry, but that's still spooky to me. So I'm just gonna sit here for 1 second because I'm not getting out. Yeah, and it's pretty gloomy. Today is not today. So anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here because I'm not getting out, and I'm gonna just go ahead and head back east on Sunset and go back home. I've already eaten, and that sandwich was really good. But as I was saying before, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let me let you guys see the ocean for a second as I do my sign off. There we go. There we go. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And once again, you're on the scene with Cassie. And I'm going to go ahead and say